First Alert Weather with meteorologist Lisa Villegas.
Are you prepared? Because we are getting ready for a heat wave. We're going to start to notice this tomorrow, but we're issuing first alerts beginning as we head into the weekend and continuing into next week. Actual air temperatures are going to rise into the triple digits. It's going to feel like the triple digits beginning tomorrow, continuing each and every day. So let's start there with the numbers. Air temperatures tomorrow morning heading out the door mid 70s. So this morning was still a little cooler out there, lower 70s. I'm sure you felt that. The humidity started to pick up a little bit, but still enjoyable here throughout the morning. Tomorrow starts to ramp up a little bit, including the afternoon hours, reaching a high of 97 degrees. Over in Charlotte, upper 90s, also continuing down across the Sandhills. We've got the mid 80s up across our mountain community, so we're all warming up. Now, something to note, the humidity starts to pick up more so tomorrow. We're getting a little taste of that right now. We had highs in the mid 90s, showed you that earlier. As we take a look, dew points are going to rise in the 70s at their peak, so it's going to feel tropical out there. As that happens, it makes that air temperature at maybe 100 degrees feel more like 108, 109 degrees. So this is what it's going to feel like throughout the week. For example, tomorrow, 104 degrees, even with the high of around 97. And as we take a look at those first alerts, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, feeling more like 108, 109 degrees. And this is just in Charlotte. We are going to have some isolated locations where, yeah, it's going to feel like 110 degrees out there. We will start to see some heat alerts getting issued. Talked about tomorrow in Richland. That heat advisory goes into effect starting at 11 o'clock in the morning. And it's all because of this guy right here. High pressure continuing to expand across our region. And as that happens, yes, the heat continues and it limits the potential for any kind of relief. For example, as we take a look at the next few days, when it comes to the potential rain coverage, it is limited, not zero, but it will be isolated. So hopefully you're one of the few that gets a downpour or two. But I'll tell you what, we are quiet right now, and we are also going to remain fairly quiet here throughout the majority of the week, at least for most of us. And something to note, latest drought monitor just came in, and now we're starting to see that dryness slowly start to settle in. So for the month of July, sitting at a little over an inch of accumulation, and we're down about an inch and a half for the month. So yes, we could use some rain, something to consider, especially if you want to be out in the garden, considering that heat with the pets. It's going to be tough though, so limit that watering to the early morning hours or right around sunset, because it is going to be hot as we take a look at those air temperatures back in the triple digits Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. We've only seen one other stretch where we've seen 5 triple digits in a row, and that was back in the 80s. So we'll see how this plays out, but we've got a lot of first alerts. Take care of yourself.
Yeah, no question about it. Lisa, thank you. Next here at 5.